If you look carefully, right, let me get it right, there and right there are the two birds that are living in this roof overhang awning this year. Every year, another family picks that spot, and I let them be. And when I hear chirping get really loud in there, knowing that the babies are getting kind of big, then I make sure my cats stay inside for that week, or I go away to someplace for a work project, so they don't get attacked when they're teaching their babies how to fly.